Welcome to Air Today's Ask a Pro. Today we're giving you a simple 5-minute guide for buying a furnace. The opinions expressed in this video are for the sole purpose of providing homeowners with general insights they can use regarding HVAC equipment. It is not intended to be used as a substitute for professional advice. We encourage homeowners to seek professional advice before embarking on replacing or upgrading any HVAC equipment. So let's get started. Let's take a look at single-stage furnaces. With a single-stage furnace, when the indoor temperature drops and heat is required, the single-stage furnace will deliver 100% of its capacity in both heat and airflow. And when the heat is turned off, it drops directly to 0% heating and 0% airflow. A single-stage furnace is cheaper to buy, but much more expensive to run than, say, a two-stage or a modulating furnace. With two-stage furnaces, when the indoor temperature drops below the target temperature range, there'll be a call for the first heating stage, where the furnace will deliver around 60 to 70% of its heating capacity and either low, medium, or high blower speeds. When required, a two-stage furnace can go to the second stage, which delivers 100% of its heating capacity. And with a choice of low, medium, or high blower speeds, it can quickly bring your home to within 1 to 2 degrees of your desired temperature. A two-stage furnace is mid-priced and up to 96% efficient, as well as ultra-quiet. This gives homeowners great return on their investment. Modulating furnaces typically rely on commands from a communicating thermostat to tell it how much heat to give. They can deliver anywhere from 25% to 100% of the furnace's heat or airspeed capacity at any time as needed. This means a modulating furnace can give you a precise temperature and humidity control at the same time, keeping you within half a degree of your desired temperature. Modulating furnaces are more expensive to buy, but as they're cheaper to operate, tend to pay for themselves over time. Here are 3 scenarios to show how these furnace types might perform in your home. Scenario number 1. Let's say you have a small house or townhouse which warms easily, has even temperatures throughout, retains heat very well, or if you're planning to rent or sell your home in the near future, then a single-stage furnace is likely the perfect fit for you. Scenario number 2. If you own a large house, or a house built before 1980, which struggles to come to the desired temperature, has uneven temperatures throughout the house, doesn't retain heat very well, or takes a while to reach your desired comfort level, then a modulating furnace might be the perfect fit for you. Most Canadian homes fall into this last category. They're likely well built and insulated, their temperatures are well balanced throughout the house, they retain heat very well, and if you're not planning on renting out or selling your home in the near future, then for you, a two-stage furnace is likely the best option. Here are a few considerations you might take into account which might influence or improve the choice you'll make. Should I use a thermostat or do I need a system controller? Should I use a 1-inch filter or 5-inch media filter or air purifier with my furnace? Is the humidity in my house healthy? Do I need a humidifier or a dehumidifier? Do I need more ventilation in my home? If so, do I need an ERV or an HRV? Get professional advice. Schedule a free consultation with our expert advisors. Simply call 613-702-8353. For more general information, simple tips or tricks, or ways to save on your home energy bills, go to Ask a Pro at www.airtoday.ca. To help support us in making more videos just like this one, don't forget to click like or share with your friends and family. airtoday.ca. We make HVAC affordable.